Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to this laboratory practice class. This is our last one for this first term. I just decided to record this short video in order for me to explain you a little bit about the activity that you have to be developed for this week. Okay guys, here we have this video. So this is like a video in which you are going to find a little bit about how simultaneous interpretation practice. This is for beginners, so that means that will be really easy for you. So as always guys, you have two options. You can click on the video here, or you can open it on YouTube just by clicking in here. Either option is okay for you. Okay, what are you going to do in this video? This is simultaneous interpretation practice. I think I have coronavirus. So you are going to watch this video first if you want. Okay, then okay, I'll be back in a second. Okay, then after watching this video, it's not the whole video. Okay, you're going to do simultaneous interpretation just 3 minutes of the whole video. So if you start just by watching the video, you can just get familiar with the vocabulary, with the activities, but then you're going to do a simultaneous interpretation. What I want is that we practice, because sometimes it is kind of difficult, it's kind of weird to do simultaneous interpretation. Remember guys, simultaneous interpretation is when you translate or do interpretation at the same time that you are listening to someone. You're not going to pause the video, you're going to do simultaneously. For example, if someone is speaking in English, you are going to translate what he or she says at the same time that the other person is talking. So that's what you are going to do. You're not going to pause the video, you're going to do simultaneously. And you can use this link. This is a link in which you can use it just to record the voice if you want. You can upload it here, you can upload your recording, or you can record here, and that will be easy. You just send me the link and I will listen to your audio. So either option is okay for me. So guys, this is the activity. I just wanted to explain what you have to do, so I hope you understand. So if you have any doubts, if you are not able to do this activity, please let me know, because this is our last activity for this first term. So guys, do your best, push yourself, and keep working hard, because I know this is difficult, you have many homework to do, but try your best, and don't hesitate to ask me if you have any doubts or if you have any inconvenience. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day and a happy weekend.